Is Tuesday the 20th of June. It's 5:30 p.m. I'm doing a joint daily analysis which we'll look at now, and also the result that happened with our trading from last night into this afternoon. So very quickly on the daily, we can see that we are still right in the middle of an uptrend, still going strong, still looking at buying where possible. This is on the 4 hour. We kind of have to go all the way back to here to find any resistance. We've got a little one there, and which is kind of where it peaked and is now kind of holding, and then it pushes into this zone here. That's kind of, the zone that we're looking at in between. So I am expecting this to push forward. If it does come down through, which it may do, we might get a little bit of a pullback before it goes up to there. We just kind of have to wait and see how it turns out. But yeah, this is on the 1 hour. We can see, we're right in the middle of this smaller uptrend, and on the 1 minute, we can kind of see that it's gone all the way to the demand river and then up to supply. So we've got quite a bit of movement early on. We don't have any news tonight, and yeah, so I guess what am I looking at trading? Anything in this zone, I'm looking at buying. Which I didn't mean to, but we've got an alert. What am I looking at selling? Ideally, probably this zone. Even then, I'm not overly comfortable, but I do believe that there would be, if there's going to be some pullback, I'd like to be higher up on the river. So I'd rather miss out than go too early. So that's kind of the zone, definitely within the river on this side and above the river in this scenario here. Very quickly going to the US 30. As we can see on the daily, we are into this uptrend as well, very similar to the pound, and we are looking at taking some buys if we can, because this is going to keep pushing. So on the 1 minute, we can see we had that opportunity there to buy, and I would say very similar to the pound. Anything that we can get in this zone and below, we want to get in, and anything in that zone right there is going to be absolutely perfect. So for selling. So that's kind of the two zones for the US 30 that I'm looking at. Now we can quickly go to MT5. This is the end result, and so if we get out of this, this is US 30 first. We were in 3 trades, I believe. Yep, so these were the ones that was the auto trade that came in while we were asleep. This is what we were running with all day, and then as it returned to this spot here at the low, I saw the need to get in, so I got in there, wrote it down, and then all the way up. And so basically we got a -6, 130, and a nice $690. So really good trading to finish that off for the US 30. And as for the British pound for last night, all 4 went in as we were trading, and then during the day we were able to exit there, and then same sort of thing, this kind of lined up, got in, and then rode it up to the exact same spot. So that should be, which it is, 586, 548, very close in price. So happy with that. Really good trading over the last 24 hours. We'll have to wait and see as to how this movement, what opportunities that gives us. But yeah, if it comes down into this zone again, I'm definitely getting back in, and we're buying back to this zone or even to the median. But yeah, have a good night. We'll check back in tomorrow to show us how it all turned out. Thanks.